Come on, Freya. Freya! Freya! She about that socking of rocking the sock shit too. Yo, I was just gonna say, there you go, Freya, come on. Get him, girl. They go down. There you go. Yeah, go, Freya, yeah. Yes. They gonna double team you, girl. Tell them we ain't doing that. Oh, right, dude, come here. Throw him off, Freya, throw him off. Nope, psych. Oh, damn. They find the streets that be degenerates. Oh, well. She did the splits on her. Oh. Okay, Haley. Oh, shit. Come on, Freya, get back in there. Right. That shit. I hear her. She over there saying, tell him, King. I hear you. I didn't see you, though. That was Carrie. I know her voice anyway. That was her. All of that people over there, I couldn't see where she was. Yeah, Haley. All right, howdy. Oh, shit. Oh! Yeah, I know that hurt. I know that hurt, girl. Shit. Oh! Out of here. Oh. Oh, damn. Get up, Freya. Come on, girl. We ain't going. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, the ring take her down. Come on, Freya. Oh, shit. Oh, nice slam. Can't defeat the giant. Oh. Come on, Freya. Yeah. They ain't know you, girl. It's all good. I love you. Oh, off with her head? There you go. Off with her head. Oh, shit. Oh. Off with her head. There we go. Oh, damn. And there you go. Nice. She's a capitalist. Yes. I love that. Back. Oh, shit. Hi, Hollywood. Oh. You gonna piss her off. And see what I tell you. What are you doing? I told you. Oh, girl. Oh. 2 for 1. Damn. Get her, Freya. Get her. There you go. Come on, Freya, girl. Yeah. Give it to him. Oh. Yeah. Come on, Freya. Let's go. do it again, no, girl. They ain't gonna let you do it again. I promise you they won't. Oh, shit. Tell her, yeah. Oh, I guess she did. Oh, damn, she did. All right. Dang it. Y'all better double team her. Only way you gonna get her. She was fighting the reps Thursday night. I said, when they gonna learn to start fighting with you? She said, they'll never learn. I said, I know, girl. I be fucking thought that she be talking shit too. Yeah. Oh yeah, how the hell we gonna fight? You don't put that where you put that, girl. She gotta wear that shit home. Oh shit. Wedgies! Oh! Hey! Right! She got that two-piece. Oh! She got that two-piece and a biscuit. There we go. We caught her. Oh! Damn, girl! You knocked the damn ref out. Oh, shit.
Can't hurt that bad.
Hell no. Get over there and count it. What the hell? See, that's how Hollywood finna win. This is how she's finna fucking win. With the rock in the damn side. I bet you she gonna use it. Freya, you hit the ref in the damn head. Oh, look, I told you. See? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Yeah, don't let her do it. No, let her do it. I know, what happened to the pink sock, girl? A rock in the sock, for real. Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh, yeah. She got another one. Hey, there we go. There we go. Now let's do it, y'all. Yes. Come on. Oh. Yep. I'll be glad when that's over.
The man who captures that shit.
Thank you for not bringing that girl with you. Because I don't like her. I forgot her name. I don't like her.
You know what everybody here is saying.
I really don't like her. That's so stupid. He get on my nerve.
I hate to break this down here.
What? We gonna tear him up. Don't let up. Don't let up. What?
Than anyone in this room right now.
You suck. You suck. You suck. Yeah, he looks so good.
There's something I've been keeping inside for quite some time.
Quite some time. I love his accent. It's so good.
I had a problem this year with somebody called Al Snow.
Right.
Now, Mr. Snow,
Mr. Snow.
maybe you don't know,
Oh, you're here tonight? Okay. I
has
see how
a
you
affair
feel.
with my sister Santina.
Right, where y'all going? Right, right. Hey! handicap. Come on. Right, for real.
Swinging around like,
Oh shit. Right. Hit him with the buckle. That shit gonna hurt. Oh damn. Come on, Kyle. Oh. You gotta watch Santino. He has been training. Oh, no, he did. Oh! And he caught it. Hey! What the hell are you doing? Get back in your corner. What's wrong with him? Yeah. Oh, he put it back on.
Take it again. Yeah.
Dang! You know what? Hit him with it. What a chump. Hey, he caught it. Yeah. I'm gonna need for you to wrestle. Oh, no, right. Like nunchucks. Now you gotta bring it.
They keep putting it on and taking it out.
I'm gonna need for you to put that out the ring and wrestle without a cow. Silly. I'm putting my damn fanny pack back on. Touch it again, we're gonna have some problems.
We keep taking it out.
I'm saying, like,
They're gonna take it again. Come on.
Please don't let them take it again. Oh. Oh my God, that's so funny. Look at him. You know what? Santino, cut the shit. Girl, he snapped. He crazy. I like him in TNA. He be talking real shit. Right, because he knew Beth was going to beat his ass. He was like, yeah, you going to kill me. Oh. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Do it again. Yeah. Get him, Cal. Yeah, you don't want none, Damon. You do not want none. Look, he like, oh my God. Please don't tag me. He's like, if he come over there, jump off the ropes. Jump off the ring, shit. Oh, whatever. He's not tough. Baby. Tell him, Cal. Come on. Oh, snap. Well, damn. Oh my God, that's so funny. He just took himself out. Don't be a wussy, get in there. I'm out to get in there. What the hell you saying? You shut up. Trip. Come on, Cal. You know what, Doug? Mind your business, Doug. Damn. I knew he had to do something. He hate to lose. Now we got to deal with this. They be hating on Kyle. He didn't want to get in there again. He really don't want to do this. Oh, I know that. I told you in trouble. Yeah. backwoods, girl, he almost died. Poor Al. He almost died, boy. Yeah, he was like, Al, get him. Right, get out of here. Right. Oh, damn. What the hell? It looked like he fell on his own. It really looked like he fell on his own. He lied. Oh, he kicked y'all out. Oh, Marty, I forgot you over there. Damn. You gotta leave, Marty. He lied. No, he played this. He lied. Marty don't cheat. Oh, hell. Oh, that's bogus. Yeah, I know. I was like, he didn't trip over. He tripped over his damn foot. He put an Eddie. That's what the hell he did. Oh, that's some bullshit. Oh, come on, Al. What the hell? He's such a weirdo. I don't know how to take him. Come on, Al. Come on. Right, what the hell? Okay. There they go. There they go. Damn. Al, I'm gonna need for you to come and take OVW back. Doug, I've had enough of that shit. Oh my goodness. I'm saying he don't feel half of that. Come on, Al. Come on. Oh shit, he over. Oh hell. You know what? Get your ass to go ahead. Since he don't irritate this hell. Hey, I'm trying to make him retire. Damn. Oh. What the? I know he's so upset. Oh, Al, come on. Oh shit. Right. There we go. Get down there. Damn it. Oh, there we go. Come on, Al. Get over there and tag Callie. There we go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Oh. Get him. Come on, Cal. Oh. There we go. Oh, damn. Right. Blind tag. Get your ass back over there. Oh. He trying to jump in it and he ain't even leaving. He playing, see? Got him on there. There you go, Cal. It still didn't work. Good. Did all that work for nothing. Come on, Cal. Doug, what the hell? Why you gonna kick him out? What the fuck? See, I got a problem with that. Here. We ain't gonna play that shit. Why the hell Doug gotta stay out here? 2, 3. Nice, there we go. Oh damn. That was a great one. Look here. Cheating the damn good. Whatever he doing. What you doing, Doug? I don't trust his hands. Look. There you go. There he go again. He did it fucked up. You fucked up. Oh, shit. Damn, did Kyle catch that shit too? Oh, look at dude legs on the ropes. Oh, damn. There we go, Kyle. Get out of there. Woo. Yeah, you can take him out. Come on, Al. Wind it up, Al. Wind it up. Oh, damn it. There you go. Damn boy. Yeah. Yeah. What the hell? Come on, Kyle. Yeah, keep telling him to get the hell out. That's a lot. You know what? I'm done with this. This is some shit. You tell him to get out, he get back in. What the fuck?